Welcome to Fun Python Projects. In this video, we're looking at how to find the day of the week from a date. So say you have a date from a particular year, and you want to know the day that maybe they've told you your birthday, for instance, and maybe there are arguments about which day of the week it was or something, or you want to just want to be sure. So this is the Python program for you. As very simple and straight to the point. So we want to find the day of the week from a date. So here we have the simple program to find the day of the week from a date. So here we're using the inbuilt datetime library in Python. Then basically you need to impute three things separately. You don't input it in the datetime format like that we're used to. So you impute date from the user, impute date from the user. So the year, you impute the year you want to the year, all right. Then you also impute the month from 1 to 12, that's January to December, and the day of the month, maybe from 1 to 31. So once that is imputed, then the Python takes over the rest. Then so the next thing is Python creates a date object. So it's you now have date equals date time. So date time dot date, and it combines the year, the month, and day into the date. And then the next thing is it now goes ahead to get the day of the week. So day of the week now is equal to date dot strf, maybe string time and %a. Like you're going to have it in strings like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then it just displays the results. So it brings the day of the week for date, blah 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 is day of the week. So the day of the week that would have been extracted here. So I just run this now and imagine. Okay. Um, okay. Here now. So maybe you want to check. Let me remember a very remarkable day. Okay, the first day I got admitted into the day of my resumption as an undergraduate was 24th October 2005, right? So the year was 2005. Then the month was October, that's 10. And then 24th was the day. So we get the result. So that was actually a Monday, of course, as expected. So it was a resumption day. Let me remember other remarkable days, right? Um, Let me see. The first day I came to Japan, for instance, was 4th of April, 2017. So the year was 2017, right? And then the month was April. The day was 4. Okay. That was a Tuesday, correct? All right. Then I go again. Let me say which day was there again? Which day? Um Okay, the day I graduated from PhD, all right, that was 25th September 2020. So 2020, all right. September will be 9, then 25. So that was a Friday. Of course, it was a Friday. Okay, of course, that's like in the past, right? Let's say let me just pick a random date in the far future. So I just let me run again and say maybe I go to the year 2082. Okay, when will my birthday be in 2082? Okay. Um, so 2082, my birthday is June, and then the day is 1. So my birthday in 2082 will be on a Monday, right? So you can check out this kind of things. Let me see. What else can I talk about? Okay, I mean that's about okay. Let me pick a very crazy date. Let me say, yeah, 1976. If there's anything like that, if we have that here, December 31st, 1976, it's going to be a Sunday. Seriously. So it's going to be a Sunday. I mean, that's thousands of years after we have left here. Okay. So the explanation is simply like you've seen already. So the program imports Python's built-in datetime module. The user enters a year, month, and day, and then we have datetime.date creates a valid date object, and does strf time this converts the date into the full weekday name, like Monday, Tuesday, and so on and so forth, like we've seen. And that's about it. I mean, very simple, very brief, but it can be pretty useful. So if you want to quickly know the date, the day of the week, a particular date in the past, present, or future is this is your go-to code, right? Very easy. Just less than 20 lines, and you get that going. Okay. So let me know how helpful this is for you. And if there's something else you'd like me to try out, feel free to let me know. If you have subscribed to this channel already, I thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, of course, you want to go ahead right now and subscribe. Okay. After subscribing, hit the notification bell so you can always get alerted each time a new video is released, right? Having done that, don't forget that you can also become a member of the channel by clicking on join. There are 3 levels of membership with special privileges, right? At the highest level, we can have a one-on-one hangout, either online or face-to-face if you're in the same geographical location, right? Ultimately, don't forget to comment, like, and share. All right, so that other people can have access to the great content I have going on here. Till I come your way again, keep doing Python right. Bye.